We'll guide you through how to find job opportunities at Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and make sure you're on their main page. Scroll to the very bottom of the page where you'll find a link labeled Careers. Click on that link to be taken directly to the Dropbox Careers page. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the website. You'll notice that Dropbox provides a lot of information about their company culture, benefits, and current openings. You can scroll down to see featured job opportunities or use the search bar at the top to look for specific positions. You can filter the job listings by location, department, or keywords to narrow down your search to roles that fit your skills and interests. If you find a job that catches your eye, click on it to read more about the responsibilities and requirements. When you're ready to apply, click the Apply button and follow the instructions to submit your application. Make sure to have your resume and any other required documents ready. It's a good idea to tailor your resume to highlight the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the job you're applying for. Dropbox values innovation, so be sure to showcase any unique projects or achievements that demonstrate your ability to think outside the box. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-up messages from Dropbox regarding your application status. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.